In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Valorant voice chat is not working. Now the first thing that I suggest you do is you come here and you search for date and time settings. Now for some reason, if your time is not set on automatically, it can cause issues with the voice chat. Now I don't know why, but yeah, that happens. So make sure this is set on automatically. And then what you can do is just close this one down. After that, we want to check our microphone. So right click down here and go to sounds, go to recording in here, and you want to find the microphone. Then you want to go to properties, levels, and make sure it's turned up. So make sure it's not on 0. You also want to make sure that you choose the correct microphone. As you can see, mine is moving a little bit when I'm talking. And in here, if the default device is not that one that's moving, so let's say this one was moving, I would choose that one and I would set that as my default device. So once you've done that, another thing you can do is you can come here and you can search for privacy settings, open up this one, and in here you want to find microphone, allow apps to access, and also allow desktop apps to access. Make sure you put both of those on, because that's going to make sure that Valorant can pick up your microphone. We can also go here and search for device manager, find our audio inputs and outputs, find our microphone, right click and update the driver. And then as a last step, if none of these work, what I suggest you do is just simply uninstall Valorant and then reinstall it. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.